Multiplying and dividing by decimals. To multiply by decimals, remove any decimal places. Multiply as normal. Put back in the same number of decimal places in your answer as there were in the question. Example 1, 9 times 0.3. So we take away any decimal places. So it becomes 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. Now we put back in the same number of decimal places in your answer as there were in the question. If you look at the question, there is one number after a decimal place in the question, so there must be 1 in the answer. So 27 becomes 2.7. So 9 times 0.3 is equal to 2.7. Example 2, 8 times 0.25. So take away the decimal places, so it becomes 8 times 25. 8 times 25 is 200. Now put the decimal places back. If you look at the question, there are 2 numbers after a decimal place in the question. So 8 times 0.25 is equal to 2.00. Well, we don't put the 0.00, so the answer is 2. Here are some for you to do. Stop the video, do the 12 questions, then on the next slide you will find the answers. When you've done them, restart your video. Here are the answers. Dividing by decimals. To divide by a decimal, first multiply both parts of the question by the same amount to remove the decimal place. That is, multiply by 10, 100, 1,000, etc. Second, do the division as normal. Example 1, 54 divided by 0.06. In order to get rid of the decimal part of the question, I have to multiply both numbers by 100. Therefore, my division sum becomes 5,400 divided by 6. Now I can do the division as normal. So 5,400 divided by 6. 6 into 5 doesn't go. 6 into 54 goes 9. 0, 0. 54 divided by 0.06 is equal to 900. As long as I've multiplied both numbers by the same amount, I won't have to do anything to the answer. Example 2, 6.3 divided by 0.09. To get rid of the decimal parts of both questions, I have to multiply both numbers by 100. So 6.3 times 100 is 630 divided by 0.09 times 100 is 9. Now I can do the sum. 630 divided by 9. So 9 into 6 doesn't go. 9 into 63 is 7. 9 into 0 is 0. So 6.3 divided by 0.09 is equal to 70. Here are some for you to try. Stop the video, do the questions, and on the next slide are the answers. Here are the answers.